Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Cyber Week 2024. I'm proud and excited to open our main plenary here at Tel Aviv University. For those of you who don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Gili Drob-Heistein, and I'm the Executive Director of the Blavatnik Interdisciplinary Cyber Research Center at Tel Aviv University, proud hosts and creators of Cyber Week. Over the past 14 years, Cyber Week has become a global leader in the arena of cybersecurity conferences. Today, however, is different, as we face difficult times, and we cannot forget for a moment our hostages that are still held in Gaza, and we hope all of them will return home soon. Despite everything, we are here together, a testament to the resilience of Israel. This week, we decided not only to proceed with the conference, but for the first time, alongside Cyber Week, we'll also be exploring the exciting frontiers of AI and quantum. You might assume that all the events and the incredible content you will have over this week is a result of a big team. In fact, everything you see has been organized by a small but mighty girl-powered dream team. Revital, Roni, Dania, Karina, Louise, Liat, Diti, Rotem, Loren, Shira, Liana, and of course, all our interns. Thank you so much for making this happen. We are grateful as always to our partners at the Israel National Cyber Directorate, the Ministry of Economy, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, our generous sponsors, and the support of our many partners. Thank you all for joining us today, especially our international guests during these challenging times. Your contribution and support to the resilience is appreciated this year more than ever. We couldn't do it without you. You all know what an amazing lineup of speakers we have for you today. So let's get started. I'm honored to introduce Major General Professor Isaac Ben Israel, the father of Israel's cyber revolution and the chairman of Cyber Week. I wish us all an incredible Cyber Week. Thank you.